Hey, everybody! Welcome to the English Flow podcast, where English starts simple, stays fun, and grows naturally with you. I'm Chris, your friendly American English guide.
And I'm Jerry, your slightly louder, slightly funnier English coach. Today we're starting something big, a full English for Beginners episode, A1 level. Easy, simple, natural English for real life.
If you are a beginner, or if you feel like a beginner, this episode is for you. Don't worry, don't stress. We teach slow, clear, friendly, with fun moments, because learning should never be painful.
Imagine we're in a small American cafe. You walk in, I see you, and I say, "Hey, good to see you. Come sit with us."
Yes, this is the energy today. You are not a student. You are a friend learning English with us. Before we start, I need to tell you this story. When Jerry and I first tried to learn another language, we made very interesting mistakes.
Please don't expose me. Please, Chris. I beg.
We were in a restaurant overseas, and Jerry wanted to say, "Excuse me, can I have water?" But he mixed the words and said, "Excuse me, can I have a chicken?"
The waiter looked at me like I was starting a farm. I was so confident, too. "A chicken, please." Like it was normal.
So if you make mistakes, guess what? You're learning faster than us. Let's begin with the 5 most important English beginner sentences. Repeat after us. Number 1, I'm from, and then your country name. Number 2, I am, and then your name. Number 3, I am learning English. Number 4, I speak a little English. Number 5, nice to meet you.
Easy, simple, powerful. Say it every day. Say it with confidence. Say it to your mirror. Say it to your cat.
This tells people about your background. You don't need anything fancy, just this simple sentence.
This sentence is magic. It lowers pressure. People speak slower. People help you more.
Beginner's superpower sentence. Say it anytime you need.
The universal happiness button. Press it everywhere.
Let's practice a simple A1 conversation. Very easy, very natural.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Chris. What's your name?
My name is Jerry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm from the United States too.
Cool. Do you speak English?
A little.
See? Easy, simple English. No pressure, no long sentences. A1 English is about confidence, not perfection.
Yes. And we're going to help you speak step by step, like building a tiny English house, brick by brick by brick.
And hey, if you want more beginner episodes, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.
Yes. Click subscribe like you're smashing a mosquito. Fast, focused, full power.
Here are simple daily English phrases you will use everywhere. How are you? I'm fine. I don't understand. One moment, please. Can you help me? It's okay.
I'm learning English.
These are not student English phrases. These are real-life survival phrases. One of my students started with zero English. Zero. Couldn't say hello.
He said halo, like a video game.
But he used small phrases every day, just 5 minutes. He spoke to himself, to his phone, to his dog, to anything that would listen. And guess what?
3 months later, he had real conversations, real English, real confidence.
You can do the same. You just need small, daily steps. In the next part, we teach you practical A1 English for the supermarket, the cafe, the street, and real daily conversations.
It's fun, it's easy, and we're going to make you comfortable with English faster than you think.
All right, my friend, let's keep going. And hey, if you're listening right now, you're improving. I promise. Jerry, tell them.
Absolutely. If you're here, you're winning. Some people buy books, then use them as pillows. But you're learning English. Big difference. We start with A1 phrases you'll actually use. I'm looking for.
Perfect for shopping. I'm looking for water. I'm looking for my phone. I'm looking for my motivation. Same, buddy, same. Can you help me?
Perfect phrase. Super friendly. Say it with a smile. But not a scary smile, a normal smile. I don't understand.
Say this with confidence. It doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means you're learning. Let's do a simple story you can repeat.
Hi, my name is Leo. I am 21. I live in a small room. It is small, very small. I can open the door and touch the bed at the same time. Congratulations to me.
He has one window. The window also has a sound called car, car, car every 5 minutes.
But Leo is happy. Why? Because he is learning English.
Repeat after us slowly. I am happy because I am learning English. Good. Again.
I am happy because I am learning English.
Perfect.
Only 2 helpers today. Am, is, are.
Think of them like the 3 brothers, the English brothers. They follow everyone.
I am happy. You are smart. He is tired. The coffee is hot. We are ready.
That's it. No headache, no drama. Repeat these simple lines. I am learning English. This is my phone. You are my friend. We are here. It is easy. I am ready.
Say them loudly. Not too loud. Don't wake your neighbors. Just 10 words today, useful in daily life.
1. Water. 2. Phone. 3. Time. 4. People. 5. Work. 6. Friend. 7. Food. 8. Home. 9. Day. 10. Problem.
If you know these words, you can survive anywhere, except maybe the jungle, but you shouldn't go there anyway. Let's do a tiny A1 conversation. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm good. You? A. I'm fine. Thank you. B. Where are you from? A. I'm from blank. B. Nice.
Simple. Clean. Beginner friendly.
Listen, you don't need perfect grammar today. You don't even need big vocabulary.
You only need courage. A little bit every day. That's how real English is built.
You're doing great.
All right, let's go deeper. This part is all about confidence and clarity, the two muscles every English learner needs.
Yeah, English has muscles too. Grammar muscle, listening muscle, speaking muscle, and the most important muscle, I will not give up muscle. Big one.
Most learners struggle because they try to learn everything at once. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, idioms, accent. It's like trying to eat a pizza in one bite. Don't do that. You'll die. Break English into small bites. Learn 5 phrases today. Learn 5 words tomorrow. Practice one small conversation the next day, step by step. Slow is smooth. Smooth becomes fast.
Ready? Here is the secret. Don't study English. Use English. Every day, use it a little. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Repeat YouTube lines. Answer your own questions. Practice dialogues with imaginary people.
Yes, talk to your fridge. Talk to your pillow. Talk to your cat. Your cat won't judge you. Maybe. The more you use English, the faster you speak naturally. Repeat after us, slowly. I see a chair. I see a phone. I see a window. I see a cup.
It looks simple, but this is how kids learn languages. Small sentences, real things, real life. Now do it yourself. I see blank. I have blank. I want blank. Perfect.
English has a rhythm, like music. Say this with rhythm. I am ready. You are here. We are happy. Feel that? Smooth, natural.
If you sound like a robot, don't worry. Even robots sound better in English after practice. Repeat after us. I can learn English. I understand more every day. I can speak clearly. I am improving. I don't stop.
Confidence is not magic. It's practice plus repetition.
Okay, story time. True story. My friend tried to speak English for the first time in a restaurant. He wanted to say, I want chicken. But he said, I want kitchen. The waiter said, Sir, you want the kitchen? Everyone laughed. It was fine. He survived. He still eats chicken.
See, mistakes are funny, not dangerous, not embarrassing, just part of learning. If you understand this lesson, even a little, you're already improving.
People think English requires being smart. Nope. Just consistent. Repeat, speak, listen. Every day. Even 10 minutes. Do that for 30 days, and you won't recognize yourself.
All right, my friend, you did amazing today.
Seriously, you're not just learning English. You're building confidence, fluency, and skill. Every single day you show up, you level up.
If you want more natural, friendly, easy to understand English lessons like this,
Make
sure you like,
share,
and subscribe.
Your support helps us bring more episodes, more stories, more practice, and more fun to your English journey.
Keep going, keep smiling, keep speaking. We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care.